Just outside the city, there's a small village where a couple lives peacefully. Around them, children play joyfully, running and laughing, while some collect water from the well. Today, the husband and wife decide to do something different. They plan to cook a unique dish using potatoes. At this stage, they gently wash all the vegetables and spices with clean water. Then, using a sharp knife, they carefully peel the potatoes. Once prepared, the potatoes are placed in water and boiled until they become soft and ready for cooking. After the potatoes are perfectly boiled, they are taken off and mashed into a soft, smooth paste. A blend of spices and fresh salad ingredients is then added, creating a rich and flavorful dough. From this mixture, they carefully shape delicious potato patties, ready for the next step. At this moment, the potato patties are gently placed into hot oil, frying slowly until they become perfectly golden and crispy. As the rich aroma fills the air, the next step begins. Fresh tomatoes are used to create a smooth and flavorful sauce. This delicious tomato sauce will be served alongside the crispy potato patties, completing the dish beautifully. The husband brings some milk from the market and begins preparing milk tea. He adds tea leaves to the milk and brews it into a rich tea. Then he serves some to a few elderly people and keeps the rest in a flask for later. Now, they neatly arrange all the food items into a basket. Taking the basket with them, the husband and wife head to the riverside, where they sit together in a beautiful and peaceful setting to enjoy their meal. Finally, they ride their bicycle to the riverside. There, the husband and wife sit by the river and happily begin enjoying their meal. finishing their meal, the husband and wife ride their bicycle around the village, enjoying the beautiful surroundings. At last, the husband and wife return home, drenched in the soft rain. Laughing and enjoying the moment, they step inside. To warm themselves, they prepare a fresh cup of tea and sit together, slowly sipping it, feeling refreshed and comforted after a beautiful day.